here we have one of our guys coming out of its chrysalis. He is struggling to get out, but he's almost out. Let's put him in the sunlight so we can see a little better. Is he out yet? He's coming out.
He's almost out.
He's almost out. Here he goes.
I think that's all his poop at the bottom.
He's struggling. Oh, he made it out. Ah. Now look at his wings. Look very, very small right now.
So we have to wait
Amazing.
a little while.
And I bet his wings. Let's see. Let's turn him this way. They look kind of little, don't they? Oh, wow.
I saw one come out.
I know. It's kind of hard to see in this light. I think there's too much glare.
Hi.
All right. Hi, little brand new baby butterfly. All right, I'm going to turn it off.